Alright, Flatware Mechanic here, and I just want to do a quick video on the trouble code P0504, which is brake light switch AB correlation. I'm working on a Mazda here. I know Hyundais and stuff set this code pretty frequently too, but basically what's happened here, I'm going to show you what's happened in this video. But what happens when I step on the brake is I'm actually on the brake right now, and you can see they just go. I'm pressing, off, pressing, off. So they just come on basically. I don't know if you guys can see that in the back there, lighting up. Yeah, but half the time, right now I'm stepping on the brake pedal and I have no brake lights whatsoever. So this P0504 is basically telling me there's a problem in that circuit. So what I actually did is, this one's gonna need a brake switch, but I wanted to show you guys where that was. And typically it's going to be in the same place on pretty much all vehicles, but this is a manual, so you know we have the clutch, we have the brake, and we have the gas pedal here. And if you follow the brake pedal up, see if we can get in there. Yeah, so here's our brake pedal, and you follow it up right, and you can see right there is our switch. And this just twists out. The switch itself you can twist and pull out, and when you install it, they're actually automatically adjusting. This one here I believe is a 4-wire. A lot of them are only 2 wires, like you can see over here on the clutch switch. That one's only a 2-wire, but yeah, so if you have a 2-wire brake switch, you can just jump it and see if the brake lights come on. But where this one is actually a multi-wire one, I would have to pull a schematic and see which ones I'm going to have to jump to see if that works. But yeah, just want to do a quick video of that. If you have a P0504 stored, chances are your vehicle's brake light switch is going to have to be replaced. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the thumbs up if this was helpful, and be sure to subscribe if you have not already.